Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today I have this Mulan lookbook for you, in which I show 4 different looks you can create on your Mulan doll. This particular doll is a rerooted Hasbro Mulan doll that I put on a purple top Made To Move Barbie body. The first look is Mulan's original dress that I got from AliExpress. When I rerooted my Mulan doll, I cut her hair shorter to match her short hairstyle in the movie. I dressed her in this outfit that I made myself, inspired by her warrior look. To fully transform Mulan into her alter ego Ping, I give her this high bun. This really shows off the new widow's peak hairline that I gave her in my reroot. If you want to see how I created this hairline, you can click the iCard in the screen. My third look is this more casual look, with this dress from Barbie's Secret Spells, paired with a white no-sew top and a pair of jeans. To finish off this look, I just leave her hair down. If you want, you can also curl the hair for a softer look. This final look for Mulan are these Mycene camo pants and white top. For the hair, I wanted to incorporate some leftover saran hair from other reroots. I have these purple and black strands I want to use. To attach them in the hair, I create this high half-up ponytail and simply attach the strands using an elastic. You will have half of the extensions in the pony and the other half will be down with the rest of the hair. Now you just want to twist the hair in the ponytail and wrap it around itself to form a bun. To keep this bun in place, I secure it with an elastic. Then, to make the hair appear longer, you want to make sure the short hair is in the back and the longer pieces are in front of the shoulders. If your doll has any hair that's sticking out like this, you can simply spray the hair with a little water to make them blend with the rest. I really hope you liked this lookbook. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what was your favorite look. If you want to see more doll looks I create, make sure to follow me on Instagram at TheDollBoy. See you next time!